Heading pretty good right now, but it's still at that 40 or 25 to 1, so I'm not going to get too excited yet. So just if it starts running not perfect in the beginning, don't worry about it. Just keep it running. Just make sure it's 4-stroking. You get that gurgling sound on the top end. As long as you got that, you're not going to blow it up or nothing. So there's a hot start. So I just went on and off. Still a bit erratic, idling a bit erratic. I don't like that, but I'll get it dialed in. But you can see it's oiling really good. It actually cuts, I'm surprised, for a fresh engine and everything. It actually cuts really good. You can really lean into it. It's only 26 cc's, but it doesn't bog down. Surprised. So as time goes on and I get it tuned right, it's only going to get better, right? So anyway, I'm going to get on with this, and I'm going to limit all up and take a load home there with Team China. I'll show you what we got going on here. There we go. Oops. So we're gonna load that up a little more. I gotta get a counterweight for the front because I got some big steep hills I'm climbing. And that's that. So the next thing is I'm gonna cut with this quite a bit. I'll cut with it lots. And I'll get it running at the 40 to 1 and everything, and I'll show you a video of that.